Okay guys, yes, this is another one. In this video I am going to be doing a conversion. Yes, I come all the way from Kaduna, like about 500 kilometers to here to convert this wire for them. And you see, it's a drift car which is with M42 TU before throttle body. Yes, converted to M53. Yes, with the brain box. Yes, ECU converted and throttle body converted, but pedal has not been converted yet, and they don't know how to fix it. This is M53, I mean M43, throttle body 43, 45. Yes, MS43, MS45. So I am going to be converting it to this. Yes, instead of this. You can see. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you how it goes. Yeah. Okay guys, so I traced up the wire. Yes, 003. Yes, that's the throttle head, which I'm going to connect it to here. And 004 is the pedal, which I'm going to connect the pedal. Yes, this is the pedal here. So right now I'm going to connect it, and I'll leave the picture on the top of this video, or at the same time I'm going to connect it and I'll show you how it is. You can see this is brown violet and brown white, brown green. Okay, I'll get it connected, then I'll show you how it goes. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I finished connecting the cable. Yes, for the throttle. You can see throttle head 6 pin. Yes, so as you can see, I'm just going to show you the wire one by one. This is gray and white to gray and yellow. Yes, and this one is brown and white to red and yellow. The next one I connected is brown and green to black. Yes, to black and yellow. Yeah. So the next one is brown and gray to black and to brown and white. And the next one is brown and black. Yes, this brown and black to gray and hash. Yes, I say hash. Then the last one is brown and is this gray, brown and violet to black. You see, pure black. This is pure black. So this is how I get it connected. Yes, I'll turn it. You see that? So at the same time I'm going to leave a picture in this video. So right now we're going to move to the throttle side. I wire the throttle, and also I'm going to bridge the cable that I need to bridge. Yes, so let me get this side pack tied up, then we put the manifold. So I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so right now I get it connected. You can see my wire, everything intact all the way to 004. Yes, X4, right? Yes, this is it. So right now we couple everything. You can see everything is intact. So we are going to test it out and see how it's going to work. I know it's going to work, yes, but so I'll show you how I get this connected. Yes, just in a minute. I want to test it first before showing you guys. Right now we put in the battery, so I will ask him to start it up and see how he's going to do. So I'll hold it like this and see. Tire. Duba wana ya mutu EMS ama be look up. So he did not respond now, but I know he's working. Yes, so I am going to do what I need to do, and then I'll get you guys back on. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2 of socket 004. Yes, and this is 11. You see this here, this is 11. Yes, of pin, socket 004 pin 11. Okay guys, so I am going to explain so many things now. Yes, this is not new to me. Yes, I've been doing this, yes, for a while now, so I know everything that I do. So I'm going to show you what I did and what you should care for, and what you need to know. So I start by converting the wire. Yes, creating the wire. Look at it here. Yes, on the X0004. Yes, this is 0004. This is 0003. I'm going to hold my light. 0003, 0002, 0001. So 0004 is where you're going to put your pedal. Yes, this is it. I am going to leave the diagram on the top of this video. You can see it. I run it 6 wire there. I run it up to here. You see it there, and you see the throttle. This is the throttle. Yes, E46 throttle, electronic throttle. Yes, so I run it there, and at the same time you're going to, I show you earlier on the way I connect the throttle body. Yes, you have to convert it to E46 throttle body. Yes, MS43. Yes, which is very important. Once you get it done the way I do it, yes, you follow the diagram that I show in the video, then you're good to go. And what you should watch out for, inside the car now, what you should watch out for, once you connect it well, you turn off the ignition. Okay, you put on the ignition on like so. Your EML should off. Yes, if you do the connection well, the throttle body, the pedal sensor, if you connect it well, the ML should off. Yes, that is the key of it. If your ML didn't off, even if there is no air flow meter, the EML should off. This is the key of it. So if the EML off and then you start the car, you raise the throttle just the way I did before, and it didn't raise, so you now check your airflow meter. I'm going to show you the airflow meter we are using now. This is the airflow meter you need to use. So this is it, the airflow meter that I have to remove it because this hose is not the type and this hose is too wide. So this, you must put a new airflow meter if your pedal is not accelerating. Yes, airflow meter can cause it. This is manual that they make it converted, which it will not show you a star. Yeah, supposing is a automatic automatic is going to show you a star here and indicate the air flow meter. And I put my meter. Yes, it's still saying air flow meter. A bunch of error code is showing, so which air flow meter is among it. So I decided to put the new air flow meter. So the air flow meter, you have to put it before this work. Yes, so that is conversion. This car is a drifting car, so right now we're going to find how we are going to make the air flow meter sit there, and then I'll test it out for you guys and I'll get you guys back on. So right now you can see the way I tape it just to test it out. So we are going to start it now and see it, how it works. So start it. Okay, so the diameter of this is too big compared to the hose. So the hose, you can as well change the hose or change the air flow meter. So I'll just test it out now just to confirm the work that is well done. So then I'll end this video and that's it. Then you rev it. So yes, start it. I accelerate it. You can see it now. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.